Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Norma Sarah from Group 40 representing our group project. So for the first step, I will present about the house specification. So let's go. So our group has chosen one single story terrace. So based on this plan, this is our layout plan for our one single story building. So you can see that we have 3 bedrooms over there and also the one master room. So each of the room we have one fan and also the pair of LED which is like emittent diode. So why we use LED? Because LED is more save cost and very ecosystem. So next we go to the toilet. So this house we have 2 toilets with with a pair of a light. Next, we go to the laundry at the side house. So at the laundry part, we use not the LED, but we use the incandescent bulb. Next, we go to the dining room and a cozy living room. So both of them we put aircon and also a fan and LED with combination with incandescent bulb. So that's for my part.
Mechanical ventilation system. Ventilation system is a combination of appliances designed to supply interior spaces with outdoor air and to extract polluted indoor air, which is defined by Andre Letew in January 2012. The building sector accounts for 15% of total energy consumed and expected to be increased with the pollution growth and climate change. Important for mechanical ventilation in houses, exchange of air to replenish oxygen used by occupants, and the pollutants that generate by breathing, household activities and emissions from building materials and furnishing that need to be removed. And the last, studies and legislates by the international and national institutions were conducted for the further investigations about the field of hygiene and health of indoor environments regarding the concentration of pollutants. Kitchen mechanical ventilation system from the case study. Kitchen exhaust system are made of exhaust hoods, exhaust fans, make-up air units and packaged rooftop HVACs, which is heating, ventilation, air conditioning units within a parameters to complement one another and to maintain the peak of performance. Kitchen hoods types categorized by 2 basic types, which is backshelf hoods and canopy hoods. Backshelf hoods placed by do not overhang the front of equipment and are designed to be mounted behind the equipment and widely used in quick service and short order food services. Canopy hoods design of hood in a way that is inside the edge, overhangs or extends the equipment and on all exposed sides. Bedroom ventilation mechanical system, which is from the case study, need to adequately be ventilated for the reason to reduce or eliminate odors emanating from the space. Design and installation of a ventilation system, which is have 3 design. First, exhaust and air intake positions, make up air, exhaust discharge to atmosphere. Required volume rate for the kitchen volume rate, we are getting the value of 0.040 meter cube per second, and for the bedroom volume rate, we getting the answer, which is 0.0184 meter cube per second. Minimum requirement of mechanical ventilation for the enclosed kitchen from the table 5.1, demand control local ventilation exhaust air flow rates. We're getting the enclosed kitchen vented range hood including appliance range hood combination, which is having 100 CFM or in unit L per S, which is 50. Other kitchen exhaust fans including downdraft 300 CFM, which is in L per unit L per S 150 or a capacity of 5 ACH. For the bedroom, we're getting airflow, the value is 50 CFM or in unit L per S is 25. And for referring to the table 5.2, continuous local ventilation ex-house air flow rates, the enclosed kitchen with air flow is 5 ACH based on kitchen volume, and the bedroom is 20 CFM, or in unit L per S is 10.
Prematurely decreasing. It takes work to operate an air conditioner. Similar to a heat pump, air conditioners operate on a cooling cycle. So now we will move on to the next. Okay, now is the case study building for air conditioning system. For the case study, there are a few papers or articles that I will do, and this is one of them. So for the split and multi-split air conditioning system, Funaki provide exceptional performance, comfort and energy efficiency in elegant solution that fit every interior space and lifestyle. Daikin technology is used in a wide range of products to reduce cost and environmental effect. Okay, now next. So here is the location of air condition and ground floor. I added few air conditioner to the plan of the house. So for the room size, it's supposed to be length times breadth. The exposure to sun is, if heavily shaded room, need to reduce capacity by 10%. If very sunny, then room need to increase capacity by 10%. Occupants number is 600 BTUs for each person, and there are about 6 air conditioners in the house. So I did some conclusion for the air conditioning capacity, and these two are part of it. So here is as an example. I did for living area and dining area. For the room area of living area and dining area, the formula is length times breadth, which is in meter. So the room area of living area is 5.8 meter times with 9.5 meter, and it will equal to 55.1019 meters square. So the room area of dining area is 19.6033 meters square, and then we sum up the total area of living area and the dining area, and it is equals to it is equal to 145.7052 meters square. So the ceiling height is 4.5951 meter, and the sun exposed, it is very sunny, hence we need to added 10% to the room. So for the occupant number is 8 person, it is 4,800 BTU. From the table is 10,000 BTU. So for the adjustment is very sunny, hence we need to add 10%. Then 10,000 is times with 1.1 and equals to 11,000. Number of person, it will equal to 4,800 BTU. Then the total will equal to 15,800 BTU. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
The electrical distribution system. The generation of electricity as well as its transmission, distribution and retail sale are all components of nation's comprehensive electrical industry. The generation of electricity follows a very straightforward process that involves the conversion of several energy sources. The Energy Commission regulates the electrical industry in Peninsular Malaysia and Sabah. Sarawak electricity industry is governed by the state government. In 2016, the installed capacity in Malaysia increased by 8.5% to 33023 compared to 30439 in 2015. Malaysia electricity gross generation in 2016 was 156665. Coal is the main energy source used to generate electricity. After electricity is generated at a power plant, it goes by wire to a transformer that step up the voltage. The electricity is then sent on a nationwide network of transmission lines made of aluminium. Step-down transformers located at substation along the lines reduce voltage. Electricity is then carried over distribution line that bring electricity to end users. The kind of electrical installation and the manner of wiring are determined by: first, the location of the installation, such as the potential for fire or explosion in different rooms, building or zone. Second, the description of the walls or other sections that are going to be installed. 3. The ease with which people and animals can reach the wire. 4. The voltage. 5. Estimated electromechanic alert in case of short circuit. 6. Additional tension such as mechanical thermal or open flame related stress that may damage the wire during installation or operation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Rifkah binti Muhammad Sufyan. Number Mystery AF190079. So today I will present about the mechanical system selection and electrical system selection. For mechanical system selection, we have to consider about the category of project, location of HVAC equipment, and the type of supply and return air distribution devices which are needed. For the electrical supply selection, we have to consider about the safety, environmental concern, and the category of project. So for our project, which is a single-story house, this is the electrical appliances plan that we use. This is the electrical distribution plan of our house. We use single phase.